Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by making sure power and software are ready. Charge the AirPods Max above 50% and update your iPhone. Once done, unlock the iPhone and turn Bluetooth on, then bring the headphones close. When you remove the AirPods Max from the case they wake and advertise, you'll see the pairing animation on screen. Tap Connect. This proximity-based method is the only way to get instant setup with Apple ID handoff, so don't skip the unlock and Bluetooth steps. Once connected, you'll configure how they behave. Go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, then the eye next to your AirPods Max to confirm firmware, and rename the device if you want. Make sure Active Noise Cancellation or Transparency is set for your environment. Choose ANC for commute, Transparency to hear announcements. Then enable Spatial Audio and Head Tracking for immersive sound. Also toggle Automatic Ear Detection if you want playback to pause when you remove the cups. These choices affect battery and experience, so pick what matters most. Finish by testing. Play familiar music and a spoken track to confirm balance, bass, and noise cancellation. Make sure the headband sits comfortably, and the cup seal fit dramatically changes bass and ANC. If you switch devices, use Control Center or manually select the AirPods Max in Bluetooth. If they fail to connect, reset by holding the digital crown and noise control button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Then repeat the pairing steps. That reset solves most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.